Hi everyone, my name is Brittany Gonzalez and today I will be presenting my ePortfolio. Here's my homepage and my major, my About Me section, where I talk a bit about myself and my educational goals. And here's a picture of me, a picture of my sister, myself, and my 3 nieces, which I love to watch them grow and I learn so much from them. Here's a picture of my family. They're my #1 supporters in everything that I do, and they always encourage me to be successful. So Education 325, here's a short description of the course and what we were to be doing during this course, which was to examine children and young adult literature and the relationship to social values and aesthetic standards. Next, we're going to go to my major assignments of this course, and I have all my major assignments right here. So which major assignment represents me as a teacher using children's literature? I would have to say my reader's blog. So if I click my reader's blog, I have all the books, a total of 8 books that were assigned for our literacy circles. So I have a total of 8 books, and I go through them and I summarize them, I put my opinion towards them, I create small activities for them, and yeah. I would also say that this is an assignment that I was the most proud of. I had a lot of fun doing this assignment because it allows me to get familiar with a variety of children's literature and young adult books. And I feel like this is very important, especially if I'm going to be an educator. I need to know the different types of genres and the moral of the lessons of the books and all that good stuff. So I'm very proud of that one. And which assignment was the most challenging for me? I would have to say my library field experience, just because it was a lot of research I had to do, and especially due to COVID, I had to find an interview with the librarian, and luckily I was lucky enough to go to my local West Covina library and interview with Janet Hernandez. So that was pretty challenging just because of the amount of research I had to do, and yeah. But it was very interesting as well, getting to meet the librarian and discuss. I also really enjoyed my author study, which I researched about Tyra and her children's book. And then here is my my screen recording of the presentation that I made talking about her success and her achievements and her children's literature book. Right here, this is my self-selected virtual library, the books that I enjoyed reading on my own time. And yeah. Also, I have a various assignments page where these are some of the assignments that we did throughout the course that I found to be helpful as well for my future. So I did a storytelling video on Goldilocks and the 3 Bears. Then I did the human brain explanation which is pretty fun to learn more in depth about. And then I enjoyed doing this one as well, books of culturally diverse literature. And these are the books that I found pretty interesting that represented culture diversity. And that should be all. Thank you so much for watching.